The Kia Stinger established a new era in Kia's history when it debuted in 2017 as a 2018 model, but that was just the start of the story. It crashed the party in a way never expected and converted enthusiasts stuck in the old "German is better" doctrine. For 2022, Kia Stinger continues to evolve and maintain its position as Kia's halo sport sedan while pushing frontiers in expected style, performance and engineering. It's been revamped with new exterior design details that offer a more upscale appearance, enhanced performance thanks to a more powerful standard engine, and an unparalleled driving experience with several technologically advanced driver assistance systems as standard.